Hi, everyone. My name is Jake. I'm a Master's of Science student in Interdisciplinary Studies here at UNBC, where I also did my undergraduate degree, a Bachelor of Health Sciences in Biomedical Studies. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about an award I won to present my work at a conference earlier this year and tell you a little bit about my research and my experience as a grad student here at UNBC. I was born and raised in Prince George, and I decided to come to UNBC for my undergraduate degree, where I pretty quickly learned that we have a pretty amazing community of students and faculty members, and lots of opportunities to get involved in different initiatives such as research. Combined with love that I developed for research in my undergrad, my incredible supervisor, Dr. Gray, I decided that I would stay and continue on to do my master's research. I've continued to see incredible opportunities for development and getting involved in different initiatives that mean a lot to the UNBC community. Earlier this year, I had the opportunity to attend a conference in Banff, the Keystone Symposia on Obesity and Adipose Tissue. This was funded to me by Keystone Symposia Scholarship, funded by the National Institutes of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases in the United States. This conference is a leading venue for researchers in the fields of obesity, diabetes, and metabolism to present their work, and the conference has quite a wide variety of topics, anything from how a small protein or molecule functions in the context of metabolism to novel treatments for obesity and diabetes, like what I'm going to tell you about, and then big picture things like public health and population health. Attending this conference was a really inspiring experience for me. I got to hear from some of the world's leading researchers in the fields of obesity, metabolism, and diabetes. I also got to meet a lot of really great and interesting students and faculty members from universities around the world because it was an international conference. And it was also really fulfilling to be able to represent UNBC and Dr. Sarah Gray's lab at UNBC at a sort of large international conference. So overall, it was a really great experience, and I'm very thankful that I was able to do it. Our fat tissue plays a very important role in maintaining our metabolic health. But in obesity, our fat tissue can stop working properly, and this directly contributes to the development of other metabolic conditions such as insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, which affects millions of Canadians every year. And while there are a number of medications available to treat type 2 diabetes, these drugs often fail to directly improve fat tissue health, and they can have negative side effects when they're taken orally, such as a pill. And so my research is interested in using tools, an emerging field of medicine called nanomedicine, to directly target anti-diabetic drugs to fat tissue to improve its functioning and health and treat type 2 diabetes, while potentially avoiding some of these negative effects we see when these drugs are taken orally. Thank you to my supervisor, Dr. Sarah Gray in the Northern Medical Program, for being an amazing mentor in the progression of my research and being so supportive of my application to the scholarship and my presentation at the Keystone Symposia on Obesity and Adipose Tissue. Thank you. And I just want to give a big welcome to all of the new students joining us on campus this fall for the 2025-2026 academic year. I have 2 tips for you. The first is to read your syllabus at the beginning of the semester, and the second is to read all of your course materials before you go to lecture so that you can understand what's being taught to you. Thank you for listening to a little bit about my research, and I look forward to seeing you all around campus in September.